How to hide Instagram following list. To hide it, you may follow this step. So open up Instagram, and then if you want to hide your following list, the most effective way is making your account private. So head over to the bottom right corner. After that, your profile appears. Now from your profile, head over to the three horizontal lines at the top. After doing so, you may head over to the option called account privacy. And after tapping on account privacy, turn this option called private account, turn it on. After that, what happens is, if your account is private, only your followers will be able to see your following list, not other people. So for now, this is only the method you can apply up if you want to hide your following list on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.